Greetings, adventurers! I come to you off schedule with a little bit of a challenge we've been offered. So if you've been watching lately, you'll know we've been going through the Level Up LARP challenge. For more details on that, you can check out this video here. Basically, we've partnered with Burgschneider, purveyor of fine medieval wares, to have a contest that'll ultimately send somebody with us to Germany to go to the world's largest LARP, Conquest. Now, in the last episode, I also told you how Burgschneider opened up some really steep discounts for our community, just in case any of you would like to come hang out with us. But while we were talking about that recently with Burgschneider, they came up with a really cool challenge for us. So let me lay the groundwork of this for you first. So during Conquest, they're launching their new player experience. This is basically to go over all the safety stuff, to go over how the LARP itself works, to go over how to actually act when you're in LARP. Tandem to that, they're also introducing the Crimson Company, a group who works to charter people to the world of Conquest from the misty lands beyond. That trip, however, is not free. It comes with a substantial debt. A debt you'll have to figure out how to repay before you can go out into the wider world by yourself. Basically, this amounts to the starter area in a video game, right? You're learning about the world, they're sending you on quests to get your feet wet. All this built-in game so you don't kind of have to search in the world to find it. It kind of caters it for you there. Really cool idea. I love that setup. So this is where the challenge comes into place. So as I mentioned that last episode, we were offered the discounted tickets, but now we're also offered a bundle where it includes that new player experience as well. You'll also have the option of adding a whole bunch of other cool stuff to it too. Like our community members, because a lot of you are going to be international, have access to their out-of-character camping area, which they haven't had before. This basically means you can use a regular camping tent, so you don't have to worry about lugging a big canvas in-character tent. Or you can choose to sign up for their in-character tent hotel, where they'll have an in-character tent all set up for you when you arrive. And in that tent, they even include bedding, a storage box, and a lamp, which is really cool. Other optional add-ons are an in-character garment set at a heavily discounted price that'll be ready for you when you get there, so there's some clothes for you, as well as being able to book a shuttle to and from the Hanover airport so you don't have to worry about how to actually get to the event. But where the real challenge is Burgschneider said if we get at least 20 people to go, they're going to do something huge for us. Basically, they'd offer our community a night at one of their full taverns. They have whole ass taverns there. But we'd have it all to ourselves. We'll be getting food, a live band, of course drinks, we're in a tavern. Just basically our own little personal skill tree party. Not only that, but we've been offered to have the game runners make us our whole our own quest line just for us. Now, we don't make anything extra off of it. I just thought it would be fun to offer it to you guys, let you know that it's there, and give you the opportunity to come and hang out with us. I would really love to make a big old skill tree takeover. I think that would be so much fun. I know tickets to Germany is a big investment, and it's coming up pretty quick. It's in August, so the time is short, but if you can make it, man, I'd love to be there with you. All right, you mull it over. I got a whole bunch of stuff I gotta get done before that trip, so yeah, I gotta go. But as always, keep leveling up, you.